everyone, welcome to my channel again. Let's deal with a topic called active voice, passive voice in English grammar today. Let's compare these two sentences. Sentence 1 is Ram helps Hari. Sentence 2 is Hari is helped by Ram. Both the sentences express the same meaning, but in sentence 1, the verb helps shows that Ram is the subject and does something. It means Ram is the doer of the action and Ram is the subject. Because Ram is the subject and is the doer of the action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. In sentence 2, the verb is helped shows that Hari is the subject and something is done to him. It means Hari is the subject but is the receiver of the action and he receives the action from Ram, and the action is the action of being helped. So the verb is said to be in the passive voice. Now let's simplify the concept. We will take the same sentences. Ram helps Hari. Ram is the subject here and is the doer of the action, and the action that Ram is doing is helping. The action of helping Hari. So the verb is in the active voice because Ram is the subject and the doer of the action. Now in sentence 2, Hari is helped by Ram. Hari is the subject but is the receiver of the action. So the verb is in the passive voice. Did you notice something? Ram helps Hari. Ram is the subject. Hari is the object. In sentence 2, Hari is the subject and Ram is the object. So when the verb is changed from the active voice to the passive voice, the object of the transitive verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice as indicated in blue. As you can see in both the sentences, the word Hari is in blue. In sentence 1, Hari is the object and the same Hari is the subject in sentence 2. That's the fun of converting the active voice into the passive voice. Now you must be wondering what a transitive verb is. A transitive verb is a main verb that has a direct object. It acts upon someone or something directly. The object of the transitive verb comes right after it. As we can see in sentence 1, Ram helps Hari. Helps is a verb and the next word after the verb helps is Hari. So Hari becomes the object. So this kind of a verb is called a transitive verb where the object comes right after the verb. Let's convert some sentences in present tense in the active voice into the passive voice. So the answers look like this when the sentences in the active voice are converted into the passive voice. Now, why is there a question mark in the fourth example? Does it mean that it cannot be converted? If it can be, just try and see. Now let's see the sentences in past tense in the active voice. And then the sentences in future tense in the active voice. So you all can try converting these sentences in different tenses into the passive voice and do mention your answers in the comment section. The active voice is used when the agent, that is the doer of the action, is to be made prominent. The passive voice is used when the person or thing acted upon is to be made prominent. So the active voice is used when the doer of the action is important And the passive voice is used when the receiver of the action is given importance. Now, what is missing in this example? My pen has been stolen. Obviously, you can make out that the sentence or the verb is in the passive voice. But who stole the pen? Nothing has been mentioned in the example. Okay. So by a vague pronoun or noun, the pen has been stolen by a vague pronoun or a noun. That can be somebody, they, people. So we do not know the agent or when it is clear enough who the agent is. So I have not written the sentence as my pen has been stolen by God knows who, because I do not know who has stolen. So I do not use the word by dash. So when we convert the same sentence into the active voice, it sounds like this. Somebody has stolen my pen. Tell whether the following verbs are in the active voice or the passive voice. You can write your answers in the comment section. Turn the following sentences from the active voice to the passive voice by omitting the use of by. These are typical examples. You can again try your answers in the comment section.